We have already talked about how we can configure application context, and there are two ways we have already talked about. First one is the XML, another one is the Java-based, but usually what we do is in the large applications, we use the annotation-based configuration. So what it means, in this case, so what we do is we are defining here our base package that will be scanned, right? So we are defining our package, which is that the com.orkangasanov. So under this package, whatever we have, under this package, whatever we have, and whichever class has the annotation, then the bean will be created. So for example, in this case, under Orkangasanov, we have two classes, right? We have customer repository and we have a customer service, and in each one we have annotation. In the first one we have annotation service, and in the second one we have annotation repository. By the way, these repositories, even if we will put them vice versa, it doesn't matter. We have a different annotations. For example, service, repository, just to distinguish, because most of the applications, they have a standard controller, service, and the DAO layer. So for the DAO we are using repository, for the service we are using service, and for the controller we are using controller. But let's say that even if we will put here a repository or controller, it will work. So whenever it sees that, whenever it scans the package, and whatever it sees that, okay, we have in this class, we have a service, right? Service annotation. So which means that this is a bean. So it creates a bean based on this. It creates a bean based on this annotation. And how we are injecting here, right? How we are injecting fields in case when we are using annotation based configuration, we are using auto-wired annotation. So for example, here for the customer repository, we have we also define here auto-wired annotation, and what this annotation will do is it will inject the customer repository into our customer repository in this service. So let's run it and see that it works as expected. Yes, it works exactly as we expected it to work.